following a powerful winter storm in the northeast of the United States. Reinforced nor'easter on the east coast covered large parts of the region. In New York City, about 15 inches, about 38 centimeters, snow was recorded and parts of the city were buried under heavy snow. At the same time, in New York City, precipitation ranged from 15 to nearly 30 inches. Staten Island recorded the heaviest snowfall in the city, while parts of Brooklyn, Queens, and the Bronx also received more than 20 inches. The heavy rain caused severe traffic delays, widespread road closures, and disruption to public transportation. Flights at the city's major airports, including John F. Kennedy International Airport and LaGuardia Airport, were also cancelled and delayed. On Long Island, especially in Suffolk County, conditions were more severe, with some areas receiving up to 31 inches of snow. The heavy snow, combined with strong winds, caused scattered power outages and blocked local roads, making snow removal operations difficult. In New Jersey, the northern regions were the hardest hit, with more than 30 inches of snow reported in some areas. Major highways were closed and rail service was reduced. Numerous flights were cancelled or delayed at Newark Liberty International Airport. Connecticut, especially along the coast, received 20 to 30 inches of rain, leading to school closures, rail disruptions, and power outages. In contrast, parts of Virginia and the Washington, D.C. area received less rain, although the same amount also caused flight delays and slippery roads. Overall, this storm is considered one of the most extensive blizzards in recent years in the northeastern United States, seriously disrupting ground and air transportation, educational and economic activities, and urban infrastructure for several days.
All right, y'all. Get your little snow shovels out. Lots of money to be made around here. Lots of money to be made. Okay? When the snow stops, it's about, you're charging $50 a car. You're charging almost $100 for the driveway, the porch, and the car.
As the nor'easter approached and strengthened, local and state officials issued a series of warnings and emergency restrictions to mitigate potential risks. Weather agencies across the region issued blizzard warnings and winter storm warnings, urging residents to avoid all non-essential travel. New York City declared a state of emergency and imposed several hours of non-essential vehicle travel restrictions. Emergency vehicles and municipal services were prioritized, and heavy trucks were asked to stay off some highways until further notice. New Jersey also declared a state of emergency and imposed restrictions on commercial vehicles on major routes. Some bridges and coastal roads were temporarily closed for snow removal and safety. State officials urged residents to have a stockpile of water, food, and medicine for several days. Connecticut also issued a blizzard warning, closing schools and government offices. Electric utilities were on high alert to respond quickly in the event of a widespread outage. Major airports in the region, including John F. Kennedy International Airport, LaGuardia Airport, and Newark Liberty International Airport, also issued official notices urging travelers to check their flight status before departing. Many airlines implemented free ticket change policies to ease congestion.
This is This is the blizzard. This was just shoveled, well, with a snow blower about 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes. And it's piling up.
Yeah, it's bad.
This shit's crazy.